four-wheelers. My 13 guys.
Stadium Truck 13.5.
Oribe, Delillo, Merge, Red. Okay, we get some volunteer help out here. Hey, Napkin and Conseco, get that to me again. Is that Kramer? Anyway, let's see. Thank you. Let's see, Rico, can I get you by the shell there? Okay, that's awesome. That's fine. Let me get you down to the other game check this guy. Yeah, Wilson, let's get you down by the shell there. That'd be good. Actually, someone help the Lula. Help the guy in the middle. Help on the one. Yes, the Lula. All right, guys, good luck. Go. Let's go. 13-5, Stadium Truck off and underway. Ooh, nice straight train cars, no contact. Nice opening lap. One of the better ones today. Oh, first they caught up there. Oh. Someone has to settle left the Brewster by. All right, there you go. That's what we don't really car. I think Brewster and Gross knows exactly what I'm talking about. Oh, Gross made that two positions in one corner. Off the top. Howard up the series. Brewster's free. Ball right close. And then there's a rebate. Oh, geez. Oh, that's what help. So you've got Cherry helmet. Yeah, the Cherry out front helmet. Uribe, Aaron Brewster, Gross, Gardner, Natalia, Garcia. Brewster. Gross on his way back to the ranks up to the fifth spot. Gross right up there out the roller jump. Sorry, I was right in the middle. 2 minutes down, 3 minutes to go. Cherry out front, silver front. Ball close to that. Mike Helmet, help to get caught up. Who's the traffic right in the middle? Oh, Helmet, who is he? Is Helmet, is he broken? Oh, can you believe that? Yeah, look, he's stuck in the steering. Yeah,